morning, everyone. Just want to do a quick video of a collab I was asked to join. It is five seeds, five plants you want to grow this year. Trust me, to pick out five, and I'm picking out five that I have not grown yet. So to pick out five that I have not grown yet, and let me show you, this is only a part of what I have down here. See? That's a very small portion. Over here that you don't see, I have 7 plastic bins, and I still have more floating around. I guess it's sort of like me in cookbooks, you know? Anyway, this was started by the right Homestead. So I'm going to start with sunflowers. I love sunflowers, but I always wanted the real big ones. So I did find Burpee had a sunflowers called Pikes Peak, and they grow 15 feet tall and the possibility of a 14-inch floweret. So I just can't wait. So this sunflower is going to be one of them. I'm going to plant various types. I have various types of other sunflowers. I have a arch down in my herb garden, and I'm going to grow these so these grow up the arch, and hopefully the flowerets can just hang down when they get too heavy. So that's my first pick. Then a second I'm going to plant is I always plant herbs every year, the ones that I have to, the ones that don't come back. Well, I found a Baker Creek heirloom seed, and I think I found this at at Doug and Stacy's Life Conference last August, is a blue Monday sage. I don't think I've ever seen one like this, so I'm interested to see what it looks like and what it's going to taste like. So this one I'm going to enjoy watching sprout and grow up, and then when I can harvest it. So that's number 2. Small. It's called Blue Monday Sage. And then I'm a big lettuce grower. I love salad. Love lettuce on my sandwiches, not just salads. And usually it's just the the green, mundane type everyday salad mix, lettuce mix. No, nothing special. Not really an arugula person. My mom used to have that, and it was just a little bit too spicy, tangy for me. I'm not a spicy person. So this is a red garnet rose. It's red right through the center is what it's called. This is another Baker's Creek leaf lettuce that I picked up at the Life Conference in August. So I can't wait to, and lettuce are real easy to grow, so I can't wait to get this one started. And here in North Central Ohio, we normally don't plant outside until at least Mother's Day, because Mother Nature has bit us before when we have got plants ready and put them out, say the 1st of May or the end of April, and our temperatures will plummet. Woke up one morning and it was down below 32 and everything I had froze. Then one year we planted well into May, and everything was doing good out in the garden, and Mother Nature came along. And this time we had noticed. We were out there, our rows of plants were all covered with blankets, or we found coffee cans or whatever we could find to cover these baby plants so they would survive. And they did. It took some time, but they did. So the next one I have are moringa. Now I realize I am not in the zone to let moringa grow outside, being in Ohio. But if it's something that'll take off in the spring, summer, and fall, I will bring in the fall. And I have a great window downstairs in the family room. Daryl built me a shelf, and the window's perfect. It's huge, all the light comes in. So I have an envelope full of, try to get this, moringa seeds. These were sent by J.M. at the Nut House in California, and I'm going to give these a shot. I'm excited to see how well I can do. last but not least of my 5 choices is when we went to last year's Deep South Homestead Gathering, we picked up Dana Sullivan from Sullivan Family Farm in East Tennessee before we went. So we went there, spent the night, then the next morning we kidnapped her and went on to Mississippi. I had a blast. It was great having her with us. She's the reason that there's a turtle decal on the back of Daryl's truck. So if you want to ask the story, you can ask Dana, she'll tell you. Or anybody that saw us live going home that night. But when we got back to Dana's house, it was late. So we spent the night. The next morning, she went right out on by her kitchen. There's a little ramp or steps or little tiny patio, I think, porch, deck. It's wood, so it'd be a deck. And anyway, she had loofahs that she had grown. And now these things, somewhere I have the plants that are still the actual loofah after she dried it and peeled off the shell. The actual loofah that you can cut up and use in the shower. My mom used loofahs years ago. I didn't know there was something that you grew. It never dawned on me. I thought it was like something synthetic. Well, this is only a little bit of what I brought home. She gave me, I think, 3 or 4 loofah plants. They're already skin's already taken off. So all I had to do was open them up and take out the seeds. So I've been sharing these, but I'm going to try these this year. These will also grow up and arch. Though I have a little bit extra support because I heard that they get very heavy and there are multiple loofahs on a plant, on a stalk. Is that the phrase that I want? Help me out here, folks. Help me out, Dana or Robin. It's my understanding that Dana got hers from Mrs. Big Bear Homestead. So this will be interesting. I can't wait to grow these. And that's about it. That's my 5 seeds that I want to grow this year. The channels that I am tagging for this are, and I will have their links below, Daybird Aviaries, Liz Zorab, I adore that woman, Creating Essence, Boldly Grow Homestead. They're a relatively new channel. Go on, check them out. It's worth your time. And Crazy Days. And she already has her video up, so I'm a tad slow. But if you'd like to join, feel free. The Wright Farm, W-R-I-G-H-T, started this collab. So once this is public on YouTube, I will let them know that it's there. And they can add to the list. And everyone have a great growing season. Yesterday our temp here was like 56. Today it's, I don't even know if it hit 25 yet. It's brisk out there. It's brisk. Smudge is outside. He ate his breakfast and he's enjoying his morning romp and whatever business he has to do, and I'll bring him in later and get romped on, I guess. So you all have a nice day. Like, subscribe if you haven't already. Share this to other social medias, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We'd love to have anybody over here. And you all have a wonderful day.